Buckle up everyone, because today we're discussing the top 5 outdoor adventure gear for pets. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Are you planning an outdoor adventure with your furry friend? The Awake Lion Dog Food Travel Bag Kit is an essential companion for all your camping and hiking trips. Not only is it spacious and lightweight, but it also ensures the safety and freshness of your dog's food. With a large 5L capacity food bag, you can easily carry up to 40 cups of food for a week-long trip. The bag features a convenient hook loop strap handle and a sturdy closure, making it easy to carry and ensuring that the food stays dry. Additionally, the kit includes 2 collapsible dog bowls for both food and water, offering a practical solution for feeding your pet on the go. Made from eco-friendly and non-toxic materials, this kit guarantees your pet's safety while being durable enough to withstand rough outdoor conditions. The Oxford cloth and waterproof lining provide excellent protection against tears and moisture. When not in use, the bag and bowls can be easily folded and stored in your pocket, saving valuable space in your backpack. Upgrade your dog's camping gear with the Awake Lion Dog Food Travel Bag Kit and embark on unforgettable adventures together. When it comes to keeping your furry friend safe and secure during walks, the escape-proof reflective dog harness is a top choice. Designed with the adventurous dog in mind, this harness features a strap on the belly that prevents any escape attempts, giving you peace of mind while walking your energetic pup. Safety is paramount, which is why the full-body reflective design ensures visibility during day or night walks. No more worries about your dog blending into the darkness. Comfort is key, and this harness delivers. With 5 adjustment points and 4 quick-release buckles, it's a breeze to customize the fit for your medium-sized dog. Plus, the breathable mesh fabric keeps your canine companion cool and cozy during long walks or outdoor adventures. But this harness goes beyond just comfort and safety, it offers assistance too. The padded handle allows you to easily lift your dog over obstacles, providing convenience and ensuring their well-being. In crowded areas or when encountering other dogs, the soft handle gives you instant grip control to prevent any potential dangers for your dog. Built to withstand all types of conditions, this harness is made from strong nylon cloth for durability and wearability throughout every season. The metal backed earring adds even more security and control during leash walks. Overall, the escape-proof reflective dog harness is a reliable and stylish option for medium-sized dogs like German Pointers, Labradors, Huskies, Golden Retrievers, and German Shepherds. Prioritize your dog's safety and comfort by choosing this escape-proof harness for all your walking, training, and running needs. When it comes to finding the perfect harness for your furry friend, look no further than the Herta Casual Padded Dog Harness. This harness is designed with your dog's comfort and safety in mind. With a wide neoprene padding and ergonomic design, it ensures a snug and comfortable fit that won't chafe even during extended wear. Plus, the harness is easy to put on and take off, making it ideal for everyday use. But comfort isn't the only thing this harness has to offer. It also features efficient 3M reflectors built into the webbing, providing maximum visibility at night for added safety. And with its intelligent design, this harness distributes pressure evenly when your dog pulls on the leash, preventing strain and making walks more enjoyable for both of you. Whether you have an active pup or just want a reliable harness for walks, the Herta Casual Padded Dog Harness is a top choice. Don't guess on the size, use the size chart and measuring guide to find the perfect fit for your unique dog. Give your furry friend the comfort, visibility, and protection they deserve with this high-quality harness from Herta. Looking for a convenient and reliable solution to keep your furry friend hydrated on your outdoor adventures? Look no further than the Aquapup Dog Water Bottle. This leak-proof portable bottle is specially designed with your pet's needs in mind. The Aquapup features an activated carbon filter, made of coconut fiber, that attracts and removes impurities from the water, ensuring a healthier drink for your pet. It also has a dust shield that creates an enclosed area, preventing external contact and maintaining a hygienic drinking experience. Made of safe and durable materials, this BPA-free water dispenser is drop-resistant and won't deform or break even after long use. Its precision design guarantees no water leakage, giving you peace of mind during your outings. With its portable and lightweight design, the AquaPup is perfect for walks, hikes, and travels. You can easily share safe and fun outdoor activities with your beloved furry friend. Plus, we offer a quality assurance guarantee. If any quality problems occur, we will provide a 100% refund to ensure your satisfaction. Choose the AquaPup dog water bottle for a reliable, convenient, and worry-free hydration solution for your pet on all your outdoor adventures. When it comes to equipping your furry companion with a reliable and sturdy harness, look no further than the Petiday Tactical Dog Harness. Designed specifically for large dogs, this heavy-duty harness is built to withstand even the toughest of conditions. With reflective straps, it ensures visibility and safety during nighttime adventures. Perfect for large breeds like German Shepherds, Golden Retrievers, and Huskies, this harness provides comfort and control during training, hunting, hiking, or any outdoor activity. Featuring an explosion-proof and shock-absorbing design, it offers 2 metal skin connection points for optimal control and a reinforced top handle for convenient lifting assistance. The attention-grabbing maul system on both sides allows you to attach additional pouches, water bottles, or tactical gear. Plus, you can showcase your dog's personality with hooks and loop panels for morale patches and badges. Stand out from the pack with the Petiday Tactical Dog Harness and enjoy all your adventures together with peace of mind. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on the top 5 outdoor adventure gear for pets. We hope it was helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments, and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.